Before starting this video, Brian told me I look great. I hope he's being honest. I quickly wanted to make this video because I came to his garage just to, just to help him out, and I noticed something when he took out his fuel pump. So to start the conversation, he took out the fuel pump because what are you gonna be doing?
We gotta run AN lines off the spout.
Where's the AN lines so we can show them?
It actually comes in a kit.
Here it is. By JB Tuned. And he's gonna be upgrading his pump to run 8 AN lines. So there's a nice little kit from JB Tuned. There goes their information. If you want to give them a follow on Instagram, Facebook, check out their website, shoot them an email, whatever it is, all the information's right there. Yo, what's your Instagram?
Bryant period 005.
Yeah, there goes his Instagram. If y'all want to give Brian a follow, he's got a nice build going on. So there goes a little bit about Brian. So check him out. So anyway, what I want to show you guys, a lot of people don't know, and a lot of people I feel make this mistake because I did it myself. And I think I'm hitting the autofocus button. Check if it's focusing.
You're good, bro. Yeah.
Yeah, we good. And I did it myself. So here we have the new, what is this, a Walbro, right?
Walbro Hellcat 525.
A 525 fuel pump, and this is an awesome pump that works 100%.
It's the only single pump that can handle 700 plus horsepower.
There we go, the only single pump.
Yep.
Alright. Give you nice up close detail here. Okay. Now, my question to you all is, do you see anything wrong with this pump? There's nothing wrong with it physically, but for the car that is going on, is there anything wrong with it? I give you guys a few seconds to think on that. Y'all could write your comments below. Looks good, right? Now, let's say this is mounted on the car, inside the tank, right? It goes exactly like this. Do you guys still see something wrong or no? Or don't see anything wrong? This is gonna be a helpful video for everybody, bro.
It is. No, it's a good point. I'm glad you pointed it out for me.
Now, where is that OEM filter? Right here. Alright? This is the OEM sock that goes on the OEM pump, fuel pump, right? Now, look at the difference now, guys. If this sock was mounted on this pump, it would sit correctly in the baffle inside of a Honda. Okay? See that? The angle on it is wrong. Now, yes, this will work, yes, but when you run a little low on gas, okay, once you run low on gas, it has to be at a full tank for the gas to be covering the upside of this sock, okay? Once you reach a quarter tank, 3/4 of a tank, half a tank, whatever the case may be, there's air getting into the system through here, okay? And I know this for a fact because when I was tuning, my car was at 95% duty cycle, right? And Jerry from API Tuning was like, hey, let's take, or he was like, hey, the fuel pump is bad, the fuel pump is bad. So I switched out the fuel pump. Yo, you should put another charcoal on there. What happened? You sucked us out. So Jerry's like, oh, the fuel pump is bad. So I end up changing the fuel pump, and come to know we ran into the same problem again, and that's because the sock was sucking in air. Long story short, I ordered another OEM sock, put it on my my Walbro, 455 pump because I have a 455. This is a 525, but it's the same design, same crap. And it fixed my problem. Okay, so make sure that you're running the correct sock on your Honda, because if not, you will suck in air, man.
That's fine, bro.
So
The detonation, right?
yeah, of course, the ignition. So I'm gonna switch this sock out and show you guys a difference now. So we're gonna quickly remove this clamp here. Two. It's gonna take some time to start up.
Oh, shit busting, nigga.
It is?
See that?
Yeah. Don't be a dick and blow it in the camera.
No, that's why I blew it over to the left.
Oh.
Come on, not that slow, man. Holy shit.
So just carefully remove the sock. There you go. Again, look at the difference in the angle of the bracket that's here. This is about a 90-degree angle, and this Walbro one has absolutely no angle at all. So that could be a problem. There you go. I hope this is useful information for all of y'all, and hope you guys take advantage of this goddamn video. And there it is. Look at the difference. It's a big difference in the mounting of that sock. So now you won't be getting any air when this is mounted inside the tank, inside the baffle sitting down. That sock will sit flat in there. And there you have it.